All right guys, hey, Dave Hall here with Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. This is one of our Pro Touring builds. This is a 71 Trans Am, Lucerne blue with the pearl white and deluxe interior, a modern blueprint, stroked LS3 7-liter motor underneath the hood, 625 horsepower. It's got a 4L 80E automatic overdrive transmission, Ford 9-inch narrowed 373 gears, actually using all RideTech suspension with the rear 4-link. It's got our custom honeycomb wheels. We have 18 by 12s on the rear and 18 by 10s on the front. We've already taken this car on our bandit run here a couple years ago. This has been kind of a showpiece here for a little bit. It's actually going to be down at the Barrett Jackson auction in the blueprint display, so that you can actually see it if you happen to be down there. But it's got the red oxide underneath. This car is detailed from top to bottom. You'll see all the pictures, video, and stuff that Dylan's gonna completely show for you on this car. So it's got everything from BF Goodrich G-Force 335 series tires on the rear, Hooker stainless headers and exhaust, vintage air conditioning, complete custom sound system. It's actually got a double-din Alpine head unit with a single sub in the rear, amplifiers, all new Alpine speakers. Dakota Digital actually has a custom set of their new RTX gauge cluster and the dash that's all blue backlit. Looks really nice and clean at night and during the day. The car has been mini tubbed in order to run the 12-inch wide wheels and tires on the rear. It's a DSC mini tub kit with a functional shaker scoop. So this car is on display for you to see, and you'll be able to see it just right off of one of the staging lanes. I think just right off the secondary staging lanes is where Blueprint's booth is going to be this year at the Scottsdale auction in Arizona.